Hello, Pulaski Elementary School. Today we're going to subtract using tokens. Now, remember that you can also use paper circles or bottle caps for your tokens. Now, when you're subtracting, it's a little different than when you're adding. When you're adding, we're putting them together. But when we're subtracting, we're taking away. So our first thing is we need to count out our first number, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now we need to take 4 away. So I need to carefully count out 4 of these tokens and take them away. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I'm left with this many. So in order to find the answer, I need to count. 1, 2, 3. So I know that 7, take away 4 is equal to 3. Thanks for watching.